Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to do a natural makeup look in under 10 minutes. So if you're in a hurry, it's perfect for you. You will learn the basic step of a natural makeup look and how to do it quick. So first of all, you want your skin to be moisturized. I use the Sei Bella skincare line. If you don't have any FPS in your cream, mine has 25 SPF sunscreen, then use a sunscreen after. So to prime my skin, I use the Ole Henrickson all over my face because it's really brightening and glowy. To color correct my under eyes that are really bluish, I use the Bobbi Brown peach corrector in Bisque. It will also help your under eyes to not look grayish. If you have more of a brown under eye circle, you can use a lilac corrector. For concealer, I use the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Concealer. This is a sample from Sephora, but I will definitely buy this when this will be over. It is full coverage, perfect for moms who doesn't sleep like me. First of all, I just place where I want my concealer to be, and after I will go with a Morphe sponge like this and blend this out. You really want your sponge to be damp, because if it's dry, it will soak up all of the product that you have just put in, and you don't want that. You want your product to stay on your skin. Okay, so when the concealer is done and the blending is done, make sure everything is good. Then you want to powder everything so it sets. I use the RCMA No Color powder. This is amazing. And if you're gonna do photography, this doesn't have a flashback on camera. You really want to set especially your under eyes so it doesn't crease throughout the day. And also everywhere that you put concealer on a breakout. Like for me, around here. So for this look, I don't use any bronzer because you want to be quick. You don't have time, you just put your makeup on. So I use highlight though. Like a C shape around here. On top of my brow. A little bit over here. If you have breakouts where you usually put your highlight, just don't put highlight there that day, because it will highlight the breakout. When I do a quick natural makeup look like this, I put my highlight on my lid as an eyeshadow, because you don't have time to pick up other shadows for your eyes. So on your eyes, I put this in my inner corners, under my brow. So right now I'm gonna fill in my brows like I usually do. If you want to see a step-by-step eyebrow routine, how I do my brows, I will link it right here on the card, so click on that if you want to see it. But right now I'm gonna do them quickly. This step is totally optional, but I will use a little bit of bronzer to contour my nose, just to shape my nose very lightly. A little bit under my lip. So to set my face, I'm gonna use the Divine Essence Witch Hazel Spray. This really helps control the oils on my face and also shrinks the pores. So for lips, I'm going to use a Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Glass. And my lip pencil is from Face Cosmetics, is Glacier Pink. When you do a natural look, your lipstick should match your lips. Finally, you want to put a little bit of mascara. Sometimes if I'm in a really big hurry, I just stick on false lashes. For me it's quicker than do mascara. So you do whatever is quicker for you. My lash curler, by the way, is the Shu Emura lash curler. It's really good. So for mascara, I'm using the Sei Bella Voluminous Mascara. This one. So I'm gonna do a light coat of this. All the way to the root of my lashes. Let me know in the comments below what is your must-have step when it comes to a natural makeup look. My next video will be how to do a perfect wing liner. This is a technique I learned in my makeup classes when I was in school. So if you want to check this out, please hit the notification bell below and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss it. And if you learned something today, please like this video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more makeup tutorial like this one, just click on those two. Thank you so much for watching my video and I will see you next Friday. Bye!